Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I calculate the premium for homeowner insurance. To be user-friendly, the whole Excel is protected, which means user can only input numbers in this area. And if you click other cells and try to put something in accidentally, then it will show you an error message and tell you that this sheet is protected, that you cannot make any changes. By doing so, we can protect the data from being modified. So that so today uh, I'll use an example to demonstrate how to use this tool. So the first step is you can clear everything by clicking this clear button. So now everything is clear right now. We can start inputting the values that we want. First of all, the amount of insurance is 250,000. Territory is 4. Construction type is frame. Protection class is 7. Underwriting tier is C. Deductible is 1,000. It's applicable for new home insurance. Applicable for 5-year claims-free discount, but not applicable for multi-insurance discount. In this case, we increase the jury coverage limit to $5,000, also increase the liability to $300,000, and increase the medical coverage limit to $1,000. After you input every factors, you can click generate premium and the premium will shows here. So in this case, the premium is $501. Is approximately $500. However, it's quite usual that people forget to input some values or input it incorrectly. So let's take the underwriting tier as an example. So if you forget to input this one, and if you forget to input protection class and underwriting tier, for example, if you click generate premium, it will highlight the areas that you forgot to put something and ask you to check again. So basically, you have to input some value in the highlighted area. Okay, let's put it back C. And right here, if you generate premium, it will shows you that you still have one factor missing, which is the protection class. Okay, so let's try to put something in. Here's the drop-down list for the protection class, but you can always you can always type it in if you want. So let's type it in 11, which is not in this list, and let's see what it will show us. So if I type it in incorrectly, like 11, it will give an error message and basically ask you to select values in the list. So that's select 7 and generate the premium again. So every cell from every cell except the amount of insurance has a drop down list that allows you to choose it. But for the amount of insurance, you can input every values that you want. So I do want to mention this a little bit more. So there's a table that has relative rate relativity. But if you input something that is not in this table, based on the manual, we'll use linear interpolation to calculate the rate relativity. Also, if the amount of insurance is larger than 500K, every extra 15K will have a rate relativity increasement for 0.03. So the first thing that I do is to identify is if the amount of insurance is larger than 500K. If it is larger than 500K, I'll calculate it based on the rate relativity of 1.69 and also the increasement. But if you input something that is not larger than 500K and also not in this table, I'll use linear interpolation to calculate the rate relativity. Here's an example. The average of these two numbers is $87,500. Let's put it in here. So let's go back to the tables again. As you can see, we calculate the rate relativity for 0.595, which is basically the average of these two numbers. Okay, thank you so much.